Hello and welcome to this episode of Mark Reads Books. Today we're going to read Rocket Science for Babies by Chris Ferry. Let's get started. If you're enjoying these books and these videos, then please do subscribe. This is a ball. This ball is moving. Air can't go through the ball. Air goes around the ball. Change the shape of the ball to change the airflow. Change the angle of the ball to deflect the air down. If the air goes down, the shape goes up. This upward force is called lift. Now this is the shape of an airplane wing. This ball has no lift. This wing has lift. But how do we make the wing move? We put it on a rocket ship, of course. This ship is full of fuel. Now, if the fuel goes out, the ship will go forward. And the faster the fuel goes out, the faster the ship moves forward. We can make the fuel explode. This forward force is called thrust. If we combine lift and thrust, we can make the spaceship go to the moon. And with this new gained knowledge, you are now a rocket scientist. Thank you for watching this episode. See you in the next one.